All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at Pitaka with more of their tactical woven case series. Now they have different designs, and this is just two more designs that they've sent over to me. I appreciate it. I'm going to show them to you and then try it on, and you can see exactly how these will look. Ooh, look at that green on there. That's beautiful. Very nice. Very nice, Pitaka. I like their new logo. Their new logo is pretty cool. Slide this in. Yeah, their new logo is pretty cool here. On the new logo for the Pitaka, that's pretty cool. But these are the cases here. Man, these cases are really good, folks. They have texture to them, so it makes it feel like you're not even wearing a case. This color right here is actually pretty nice. So again, their new logo right here on the side of the case, pretty cool. All the cutouts, and they even have it cut out here. You've got your, obviously, Mag Easy technology there. And I like that they're keeping this a different color and not just doing black. So this is essentially the same case in a different color. That interior on this is crazy nice with that blue. I love that blue in the interior. But yeah, they have been producing some great cases through the years. And obviously I have the Easy Mag system in my car. But I'm going to go ahead and grab my iPhone 16 Pro. You can get this for any iPhone at the moment. So I'm going to go in on that side and snap it on, and boom, there it is. Wow, this color is a really nice color in person. And I'm sure it looks really good over video too. This is a really sleek color. So you've got the ports, the cutouts here for the power and the camera module. Then you have all cut out on this side for the vibrate or action button and volume rocker. And then you have the cutout down here for the charging speaker and mic. And on the top there is nothing. There's a little slit there, and that's just for like phone calls or something, or probably just, you know, they have more exposed speaker, or it's probably just to help get the case off better when taking it on and off, because you'll take it off like this. I typically see I have this finger here, and I have both thumbs here, and I just push up and it'll come right off. So yeah, the camera module is deeply recessed. Now I actually have module protectors on here, so this lets you know that it's actually going to work with your camera module protectors, because this is an open design, unlike some that have the individual cutout for the cameras. And those typically don't work too well. They work, but they're not the best when it comes to the case itself. But I do like this is completely open, and actually just looks really good. Yeah, this looks really good. So if you have, depending on what color phone you have, that's going to determine, you know, how well these cases look on your item. So obviously black goes with everything. So this is going to be really nice. And if you have the white color and the other colors, you can see how it looks once you purchase. But this color here is very nice. I really like the interior on this color. I wish this was on the outside. That is pretty sweet right there. And the material on here is to protect your product. This isn't a rough material at all. It's soft, but has a little bit of grip to it. Not microfiber soft, but it's still soft, because this is an ultra thin case. And ultimately, it has to be as thin as possible. And they've got to figure out how to do that and still have protection on the interior. And this is how they do it with this special material. So I'm going to try this one on here. See how easy that pops off? And just put it on same way. Put this right here. Wow, that color is, this is definitely Christmas colors, if you want to label it that way. It's green and red. It's pretty cool. I think it's really nice. I think people are going to love, this color is really nice. And I recently reviewed some of their other colors in this lineup, and the exclusive deal they had, partnership with the other company, that band or whatever. But this is really nice. Again, the color combination they're using with this gray or silver looking around here really does well. You got your logo there. Again, all the cutouts. In these cases, while they're the Mag Easy system, they will work with wireless charging as well. So really, really nice. No issues with functionality at all, because the buttons are exposed, so you just don't have anything to stop you or give you an issue. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's slant them with a little style here. Let's do them like this with a little style on them, right? It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Pitaka. I'll leave these in the description so you can buy yours. See you in the next video. Take care.